Those who are tuning in for the first time, I hope you love it here. And if you do, please like, comment, and please, guys, I beg, do not skip the ad.
I love you more than words can say. I'll be with you every step of the way. You are my sunshine, my only light. You make my world a better place.
Dynamite, I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Are set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find us. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. 'Cause you can never kill my vibe. There is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You have to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
You just got limited context. And he sees
Dynamite, I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Are set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find us. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. 'Cause you can never kill my vibe. There is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You have to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad beats bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, love is somebody that don't take my energy from your cardinal. In my past, don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire, I'm gonna receive my ribbon.
It's over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. You make me feel low. I'll never run. Get there for my soul. Wherever you are, that's where I go my own. I'll never. With you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am.
And then we have this to adjust it. Come on, Fanny. Okay. Is just over there. Get to the book. And guys, now you want to qualify the gallery. Tafsiri kati zote kimoja ile aina.
Me since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only lonely me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love can see no way to believe her. I do the word I'm seeing her. We are nobody who Jehovah. Not the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold that they buy? That's all they move no shit. And then I really put you too far. Big man, I'm not shit. Side, call my home, girl, tell your best friend besides you on the road, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie, cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the road, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come out tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Come home, go tell your best friend besides you on the
Today, Shamukelu uyasiphekela mina while we busy. Ihloko yakho mntwana. What are you cooking? What are you cooking? Clip it as like shares. Wait to class. Say peso. Shares. Siphilisa semnandi ke?
Tell your best friend besides you on the road, no location.
cause you call them hard for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, boo. Come on home, go tell your best friend, cause that's who on the
dynamite, I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big kill my vibe. Them no big kill my vibe. No big kill, them no big kill, them no big kill my eyes. Man said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find us. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. There is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes alright. I'm freaking dynamite. I play your candle light. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Till you regain your faith. Bad killer, don't be somebody that don't take my energy from your candle. In my dance, don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire, I go receive my rhythm. Flow.
west side, boo. Call my home, girl, tell your best friend, cause that's who on the low. I don't want to see you fade. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tight, cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. Just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them hard for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, boo. Call my home, girl, tell your best friend, cause that's who on the
Bunga is big.
Me since 06, I've been writing this story. I know we them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feed me slowly. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know we OG, them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me.
Pass it slow, pass it slow.
Music chose me, just know this and always. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and me slowly.
Someone call me.
Say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. Dynamite, I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill, them no fit kill, them no fit kill my eyes are set, full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. There with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I play your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad beats bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, every somebody gone. Don't take my energy. I'm no bad killer. My boss don't say. In my healer, everything I desire. I'm gonna see my rhythm.
Can I have chili?
Offense obubona ngathi uthula kapsi
Fanele ikhani yellow. Yani ikhani ye-bitter fruit angazazi. Oh, fanele ukuvula ama-carrot. Just one can with
Get dynamite. I blow your candle lights.
Oh, much or not.
No, I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill, them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes are set, full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. There with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I play your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill.
Ze voor de Frans.
Kill my vibe.
Ga extra sauce.
Watching my story. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad
Yeah,
bitch
stop.
bad every day. I know they look at your
Jelo, bukan di sini kayak ha.
man bad every day.
Kita nak mas.
Knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, every somebody gone. Don't take my energy.
Ya bo.
My boss don't say. Be my healer, everything I desire.
That's inflation.
My rhythm.
Ngiza ngenza divorce ke, ngenza dry chili, dry divorce.
Also can say 2, right?
Yes, chair.
They are dry bolos and what? And which one? Yeah, which drivers?
Yes, dry chili.
Which one? Try chili down.
It's rich dry divorce chili.
Nasi lagi bangun kau memang kes. Also we had bank, but also we jangan bikin misalnya.
All right.
Karena nasi apa bagus?
Can I have this one?
So when's the shopping? Coco. Mara choice. Mara.
Oh no, hamba nomnye ubhuti angafuna ukuthenga.
Chamu ngasimdalo umndamo uthengile ngigqokile la. Ngigqoka amathekele ubhuti zathenge kangaka. Hawu.
Somebody was a Graham Slayer.
Okay, askis kana.
For me, since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know. Music chose me, just know this and know
In my beach, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it down. No, every time I put down, they show me that. I know pull out, she got my back. I tell you, I'm happy that. What do you do? Say everything I do is for my woman.
What do you mean, go?
Anything I do, where you talk, I go do.
I hope you love it here. And if it's you, please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my returning Savi. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. I really appreciate you guys. We are now over 1.2 subscribers, guys. We are growing. I really appreciate your love and support. You namhlanje kungosondo, so we're going out for lunch. Guys, look at my hair. Like, what is this? Like, what is this? AkonagAli, look at this. Look at this. Let me turn around. Look at this. I mean, wow. Oh, guys. Okay, the good news is I'm selling hair. Doesn't it show right, guys? You're getting them automatically be right, you know. So I love weaves. So I wanted to try to attempt this for the first time. I have 2 type of hair that are available now. Lena is a lady in black, you know, lady in black, and no baby brown. Baby brown sebam tengile ngilo amaklip lawa adlulileko lewe ngikhombisa yona. It's a 8-inch baby brown pop double drone. If you guys are interested, I will attach my number here. Send me a WhatsApp. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, mfuna like a nice packaging, understand, with the name, a beautiful name, you know. Like, like no, at least spend it right, you know. Guys, I'm so excited for this. I'm praying. I will continue to pray. And then I'm so wish whatever that I will be supplying to you guys. Is on Jabulis at the way I'm helping a corner. I know good disadvantages, but please, guys, I so wish mhlambe la engathi ngilekha khona la ngaboni khona, I will allow you guys like to comment about it, like especially mhlambe nawuqeda ukureceive iweave, if mhlambe there is something ongayithandiko, just be honest with me, nikeze feedback ungitshela ukuthi how do you feel, do you love the hair, like you understand, angikhona ukuthi improve lapho khunye la mina improve khona. I'm so excited for this, guys. This one is 1850. It's a 22-inch double drone for 1850, and baby brown is 750. Ngiyamthanda baby brown. I love black, guys. If you have noticed, the one thing about me, I love black. I'm a bag one, should be black. Include most ngine black. A1 color nje kuphela. I1 color like nginayo. Yonke I'm a black. So yeah, guys, I would really appreciate your support. Please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. And please, I hope Anika was keep my ad. So this is the end of the vlog. In fact, I'm closing this one because of I want to open a new one. We're going out for a lunch. We're like, man, let's go out and celebrate the new business, you know. I believe, guys, if we don't know like serious money celebrate, like even more special, you know. Even more special, and the yakutaza, like especially like when you get support from your friends, you know. Guba lula automatically izinto zibalula ukuthi zenzeke, guys. I mean, like, look at this. Yes, get khuluma nje mara. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you on the next one. Mwah.